What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be an interesting one and a highly requested one. The best way for under 18s to get freelance work. Now, I'm going to be kind of directing this towards freelance video editors and videographers, but the same skills are transferable whether you're a graphic designer, a copywriter, or whatever the case may be. And one of the examples of somebody who's nailing this isn't even a video editor. Well, they are, but the main way that they're doing it is graphic design. So without further ado, let's get into it. Basically, the best way that I've personally found for under 18s to actually pick up freelance work is through Twitter. Now, even if you don't use Twitter, hear me out, it's ridiculously easy. Basically, there's a method where you can go to Twitter and you can use the search, and you can search the phrase, "I need a video editor." And what you find is a whole bunch of people who are actually asking Twitter for a video editor. They're saying something along the lines of, please Twitter, recommend me someone who can edit my videos, or yo Twitter, who's got somebody who's good with the edits, I'd like to pay them, or hey guys, I need to bring someone new onto my team, I need an editor. They're basically literally putting out the request in a less formal sort of area where you as an under 18 can actually go to them and message them, DM them through Twitter, and basically use Twitter as like a networking marketing, just networking to actually get yourself some clients. So I'm going to break it down real quick and then we're going to come back and talk about it. So on the screen is literally absolutely nothing based on the fact that it's just on the wrong screen. All right, cool. So basically this is my Twitter right here, and what we're going to do is we're going to go up here and we're going to type in, "I need a video editor." Awesome, simple phrase. We're going to type it in, and pretty much we filter it to latest, and just like that, we got a whole bunch of people who are asking for a video editor. Look at this, 22 hours ago, "I need a video editor. Where in God's name do I find someone to build that relationship with?" You're the person. I need a video editor with the annoyed face, or like the searching for it face, or like the frustrated face, whatever you describe that. "I need a decent video editor for cheap." That's where you come in. You might, cheap to you, cheap to them might be good money to you because you're under 18. A video editor. I'm a video editor. People charge hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars for videos. You personally, you're under 18. You're just starting out. You could charge $50, $20, whatever the case may be. To him, what's cheap to him might be good to you. But again, that's just one guy. Next up. We keep going down. I'm asking, "I need a video editor." Okay, so some people are asking for an app, right? Those are the other people, but there's more people asking for a video editor like you to actually hire them than there is people asking for an app to edit their videos. Next up, "I need a video editor for my YouTube channel. Please DM me if you're interested and we can negotiate money." There you go. All right, I'm gonna take a sip from my water to let you think about it, basically, right? It is absolutely smashing it. Now, there's a case study that I want to show you, a main man called Deontay. Deontay is someone who I had on my podcast, and basically he found out about this method, and he's been absolutely killing it. He's a graphic designer, right? So back onto Twitter. Let's go up here. And by the way, the reason the angle is weird here is because I thought it would be on this monitor, but it's on this monitor here. So I'm not going to restart. I'm just going to crack on, right? If I type in Deontay, there he is. We go to Deontay, and we go to tweets and replies. And if we scroll down, November 7th, check DM. I can man shoot me a DM, check DM, check DM, check DM, check DM. He's DMing every single person that's asking Twitter for a graphic designer. I'll go back there right now. We'll click on one of them. Oh, look, there you go. He literally responded to that exact person the other day asking for a video editor. So he's targeting video editors, graphic designers, everything. And I keep seeing him pop up there. Every other day he's responding, "I need a video editor, I need a video editor," and it's going good, right? So you can essentially take this strategy and do it for yourself. It's so easy. It's far easier than signing up to a freelance site. It's far easier than going out into the world and negotiating with some company or something like that. It's even probably easier than editing for your uncle's company or something. I'm just assuming some family member of yours might have some work to give you, right? But it's literally mind-blowingly easy, and that's why it's kind of perfect for under 18s, because at the end of the day, it's something that you can easily access by simply going to Twitter, typing in the phrase, "I need a video editor," or remember, I'm just using video editor as the kind of, insert phrase here. It could be, "I need a videographer, I need a graphic designer, I need a guy to shovel my snow." That's the type of freelance as well. You know what I mean? So pretty much that's my spiel to you. Basically, you're under 18. Essentially, go to Twitter, sign up, and if you don't already have a Twitter account, a lot of people already have a Twitter account. Personally, I've had a Twitter account since I was maybe 14, 15, something like that, right? And pretty much, it is an ideal and easily accessible place for you as an under 18 to actually get a video editor, let me switch that back. I want my TQ9 logo on there. If you didn't know, TQ9 Media is my production company. It's linked down below if you want to follow it up. On my Instagram, currently, I'm shouting out everybody that follows my TQ9 Media Instagram, right? But that right there is more or less the video done and dusted. I could go into it more. I could talk about it more. But if you're under 18, studies say you probably have a low attention span. So I'm just going to leave you there, right? I'm going to leave you there and let you go crack on. Twitter is the spot for you. I promise you it's going to work out great. Personally, I've picked up clients there. The main man, Master ETH, he's not under 18. Even that dude gets clients there, right? So many people get clients there, and you could too. It's beyond easy. I feel as though I've done a good job of showcasing how easy it is. You literally type in a phrase, and with that being said, I'm going to leave you now to go to Twitter. By all means, hit me up on Twitter. If you get a client and say, Jack, good stuff, you smashed it, big up, man. I've just got my next client, and he's paying me XX amount of dollars based on the fact that I went there and I applied to work, and 100%, that's totally doable. You could have a client tomorrow, you could have a client in 3 days, 4 days, 97 days if you're a little bit slow, or 13 seconds if you go there real quick and message a couple people right now. Thank you guys for tuning in. I've been Jack. Follow me on social media. I'm very active there. I respond to anybody right there. If you guys need help with maybe further strategies or whatever the case may be, or you want me to take a look at your work and tell me what you should price it at or something like that, hit me up on social media. I'm very active and I'm happy to talk to you guys. I respond to literally every single person that hits me up. Shout out to you guys. Take it easy. Bye.